Folks, do you love coffee the way I do? Do you have a swallowing problem and you need your liquids thickened? How about if we needed to thicken it to moderately thick? I agree with that. Hey folks, I'm SimplyThick John. If it's an aqueous beverage, I will thicken it for you. I have 4 ounces of my iced coffee sitting right here. I'm going to actually improve this. We're going to add 2 doses from the pump. That's going to make it moderately thick. Personally, I think when you thicken coffee, it adds a little bit of body, and it's actually better than when you don't thicken it. It is pretty yummy. I really like it. Anyways, why do we thicken things? Generally, we thicken it for people who have swallowing problems, also called dysphagia. When you have any type of disease or injury that disrupts any of the 7 nerves and over 40 muscles involved in a normal, healthy human swallow, you can have problems coordinating that swallow. You can have mistimings. You can even have problems just forming a bolus. So doing something like just thickening it can add just a little extra help to help slow it down in your mouth, help you coordinate it and get that bolus better prepared and swallow it more cleanly. And then you don't get it into your lungs. And so that's the whole idea here. And I always like to tell people, look, if you drank it before you had your swallowing problem, you will probably enjoy drinking it after you have your swallowing problem. So I'm always trying to find ways to add beverages back into people's lives. Love to show you that you can thicken things like coffee, iced coffee. It's very easy to do. And we run this very simple test. We run it up. We fill it up to the 10 milliliter line. This could be a syringe too that you do this with. And all we do is you run it for 10 seconds and see how much is left at the end. I can tell you by the way it's dripping that there's going to be more than 8 milliliters left, and that this is definitely a moderately thick coffee. Very easy to do, very simple to do. And iced coffee, like I said, this stuff tastes really good when you thicken it. Oh, and because it's iced coffee, a lot of people like to put it over ice. Here's my tip. Make some water, make it moderately thick, freeze it, put it in your ice cube tray, and then you can just grab some ice and you can put it in your cup, and now you have your ice thickened beverage, and it's not going to dilute when the ice cubes melt. It is a great way to enjoy an iced coffee. So please like and follow, share, do all that stuff so that I can keep making great videos like this just for you. Thank you.